2072 वैशाख 12 गतेको भूकम्पले गर्दा चाहिँ हाम्रो पहिलाको स्कुल भवन ध्वस्त भएको हुँदा अहिले राइट फर चिल्ड्रेन र CWS को सहयोगमा यो भवन बन्न लागेको छ। आज उद्घाटनको दिन हामी विद्यार्थीहरू सबै उपस्थित भएका छौँ। अत्यन्तै खुसी लागेको छ। राइट फर चिल्ड्रेन र CWS लाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद।
An area so remote, CWS Hong Kong, Children for Children Nepal UK, ONG Fennell Luxembourg decided to support the rebuild of 5 schools with their local partner, Right for Children. It was a miracle that the earthquake happened on a Saturday when schools were closed. Nearly 1,500 children have been waiting for their new schools to open.
Well, my first impression was that it looks like a chicken farm, and then, to my surprise, I was told that it was a chicken farm. And apparently, next week when the new school opens, it will revert to being a chicken farm.
And now, finally, CWS Hong Kong's chairman, Gordon Oldham, made a lot of children and parents very happy. And now, no need for children to be like chickens anymore. Our second school. The terrain's inaccessibility has made it very challenging. And our third school, from shack classrooms to strong buildings. The strength of working together in partnership, an absolute joy for all. But for the children of our fourth school, it's a new day, new happiness, and new opportunities. Right for Children's chairman Jayendra Gauchan handing over the renovated school to the community.
In having fun while being educated. And education and protection is all that counts.
At the fifth new school, the young children put on a superb cultural dance performance. The whole community attended. One minute's silence for late Mrs. Meera Ramesh Matani, who went out of her way with the Indian community group, Hong Kong, to provide children with their new school. Toys to help all schools become child-friendly places to be. Appreciation to those who work so hard with the Right for Children team. And finally, an amazing partnership between the funding partners, Right for Children team and the communities to bring new schools and happiness back to the children of Nepal. Thank you all so very much.